안녕하세요.
What?
Speaking Korean.
Chinese? Wait, why is that funny?
It's ni hao. Because like you're being racist.
Where are we?
Phu Quoc.
Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
Phu Quoc.
Phu Quoc.
Yeah. Yeah, so we've come down to another resort because ours was a bit rubbish, wasn't it, Eric? Yeah.
Someone booked it.
Shut up. Who paid for it though?
Okay.
Yeah. Shrooms.
Oh, so many.
Coconut tree. So what's the difference between a coconut tree and a palm tree? Other than obviously coconut trees grow coconuts.
I think coconut tree they're smaller.
No.
Yeah.
They're well big. Have you seen the palm trees in my garden at home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a fake palm tree.
You didn't tell us. Is he still asleep? Edward, you're missing out.
Don't care.
I don't care. Let me sleep. Oh, you're awake.
Where is it? I'll just leave on the bike.
Yeah. We're trying to find the queen bee. Oh, there, look. Oh, yeah.
A little pussy.
Can we try?
Oh, wow.
I'll try it.
You can try first.
Này là ăn hết luôn anh.
Rồi,
Ăn được cái sáp rồi.
ăn được. Ăn nhai đảm bảo. Đây mình có mua mượt thì người ta khai thác tại chỗ cho mình luôn nhé.
How is it?
1 lít 600, nửa lít 310.
Do you eat the whole, like, shell thing?
No. I'm spit it out.
Honey, orange juice. Honey, orange juice. No. I told you, babies can't eat honey.
No, sorry, it's mummy, it's not me.
Eric.
No, it can.
No, it can't. I just read you that it can cause fatality.
You can, Edward.
You want to die? Honey coffee. Eric, it literally tastes like whiskey. It's like, it's very strong.
Oh, it's very nice.
Oh, do you like it? I think it needs like maybe a bit of milk in it. Oh, Let's test the orange juice.
Very nice. You can't.
Oh my god, the orange juice is actually amazing. Oh, that is so nice. Yeah, I don't know. It needs like a little bit of milk. Do you think they'll put condensed milk in it? That'll make it well sweet. Oh, did you ask them? Well, why didn't you ask them? Edward, you're missing out on the food. Okay.
I picked it.
On my roll. We always attempt to make these at home, but Eric's not very good at rolling, are you?
Excuse me.
Oh, I'm so excited. My favourite. So, oh, these ones do have prawn in. They're a mixture. And then you dip it in, what sauce is this? Oh, he doesn't know. It's like peanut sauce. It tastes like peanuts, doesn't it? But yeah, it's so good. Edward's waking up. You waking up, Edward? Hello. You want some food? This is the life, Edward. You just wake up and you get food. You're smiling. Edward, you want to go in the sea? Is he excited? You're going through Daddy's wallet. What's in there? Oh. After's asleep. What can we take? Hey.